This video from NFD will help you make your own picture-perfect budget-friendly wine crate cake. You will need a store-bought cake that is at least a half sheet size. Grocery stores and bakeries will offer these with no decorations or just the edge piping as seen in the video. The cake we used in the video was brought in by a customer in a rush for a cake topper. You can also bake your own half sheet cake. You will need to have pre-ordered a sugar glass wine bottle from Never Forgotten Designs, NFD. We have a 1-week turnaround on average for these, but they are available in a variety of colors and personalized for extra wow factor. The ones we recommend for crepe cakes are flat on the back. Flat back bottles ship better as they are one solid piece of sugar and they are more budget friendly than our full-size 3D hollow bottle. It's up to you when you place your wine bottle on your cake. Just make sure you're getting a good bird's eye view before placing it. You get one chance to drop it. If you do need to move it, you may have to do some damage control on the sides of the bottle if the frosting got on the sides when you moved it. I always suggest wearing gloves, that way your fingerprints or anything that you may have touched does not get on the glass as well. Continue to sprinkle the toasted coconut all around the top of your store-bought cake. For this demo, we used a whole bag of CK toasted coconut, which was enough to cover the half-sheet cake with the bottle on top.